Today we're making parole pie. I saw this on TikTok. If you guys been on the prison side of TikTok, you know how amazing it is. And I thought this looked semi-tasty and semi-eatable, edible, whoa. And
eatable.
so what you need for your parole pie is these cookies. You know, the white, the mothers, and then obviously Oreos, cream cheese, Kool-Aid, sugar, some butter, and then you need coffee creamer too, but we don't have that, so we're gonna use milk. Milk. And I could put a little bit of vanilla extract in there. So,
sure. What's with the knife?
You have to take all the...
No, I know about that knife.
It's a Libby knife.
Child-proof knife.
We have to take all the... So what you're doing now, you want to get to it with me?
I want to eat one.
They're bomb.
I actually want
These are too sweet though.
They are sweet. Like
okay, so what we're doing is you're taking the filling out of the cookies. We're leaving the cookie part because we're going to make a crust with the cookies, which is bomb as F, usually. You know what I mean? What the hell is your problem? We should be drinking spicy water right now. How do people in prison get cookies? At the commissary?
How many of you have been to jail?
Yeah, comment below.
Prison, jail.
If you've been to prison, the drunk tank. I'm just we're curious to see that. Okay, I think that's enough cookies. If not, we'll do more.
Have you ever dated someone in jail?
Have you ever dated? Yeah, you have. Have I?
You've dated someone who's been to jail.
Richard. You like it out?
Yeah.
So that's good to know. So you're gonna put all your cookies in a bag.
Maybe that's why we have a close relationship with people who are in jail.
I just love prison TikTok.
They are pretty good.
And when they pop up, they don't disappoint.
They don't disappoint. So you know when someone's not texting you back, they truly don't like you because people in prison find a way.
Oh yeah. They
find a way to go on TikTok.
So on TikTok, I saw that they charge their phones. They smuggle phones in and they charge. Oh my god, it stinks. They charge their phones with a battery and some wires. So
I've seen that.
What gonna put some sugar. Two sugar packets. That's what she said, but I don't.
That's more than 2 sugar packets.
She didn't use the Oreos. Oh well.
No, she used the Oreos. She didn't use those. But whatever. We're let out your anger.
Now we're gonna. Right, the ants in my house are gonna love this project. No, you put the cream cheese.
But do we mix this?
Yes, you mix it with cream cheese though. You mix it with cream cheese, a little bit of coffee creamer.
We'll have to use some mold.
Yeah, and then I'll put a little bit of vanilla extract in there so it tastes like coffee creamer. That's a lot. Okay, we might have
whatever.
to
No, that's fine. No, fine. Right? We just flatten it out. Don't you put butter?
Yes, I gotta melt butter. So this is what it looks like, your cookie crumble. So we're putting the butter on top. This is what she said.
Drizzle. There we go.
Then you didn't put anything in there.
No, I didn't do it yet because I'm scared.
It looks like she probably had like this much cream cheese or more.
No, I think that's a good amount, don't you think?
I cannot f with that. A little bit of coffee creamer.
So we need milk.
Can you shut my fridge? We're gonna mix this all together. This is not really something appetizing really at all.
Might be sweet though. I'm scared.
Then you shake in this. I should have used half the fucking packet. Okay, let's do that. Parole pie. We're on parole. Katie was in the Manson family.
I know I look like it. The hair, you know?
Yes, it's like dark, like blonde hair. Then you're supposed to spread it, but I feel like it's only gonna go halfway or a quarter away. So half will just be crumbs and then half will be. Okay, like I said, only half is gonna be, because we're in prison, so we don't have that much resources. So half will be.
We're only doing half sheet because we don't want to make more.
A half sheet, and then I'll eat that part though. And then you gotta freeze it for an hour. We're probably gonna freeze it for 10-15 minutes.
Yeah.
I'm actually really scared to taste it. I literally cannot do it.
It's only been in there for like 15-20 minutes.
I won't do it.
I'm going to.
Okay, Katie's gonna taste test.
Let me smell. It's a little sweet.
I'm gonna cry.
So
I literally have tears in my eyes.
it's not bad. It's just very sour.
So if you were in prison, would this be something that you would want? Do you want a drink?
It's very sweet, and it's the Kool-Aid and the
Cream cheese.
that make it really sour.
That's what I don't. Oh, you're eating another piece.
I like sweet. I'm not saying I like this.
Hold on for a second.
It's just too sour. Sour. But honestly, if I was in prison and I need something sweet,
Would this help?
yeah, it would.
Don't keep eating it, dude.
It would help. It might hurt my tummy though.
Cream cheese.
Whatever.
It'd be better if we just took the cake filling or the filling of the cookie. It would have just been like big cookie top. How was it?
Not horrible. I like this if you don't mind it.
I will not try it.
Pushing.
All right. It's a velociraptor. Okay, I gotta poop.
All right, well, she's got to poop, so we'll talk to you later. Bye, poop breath.
Ow.